Spiced bun and cheese is a favorite Jamaican Easter tradition for Jamaicans, yard and abroad. Jamaican spiced bun, otherwise known as Easter bun, is our version of the British's hot cross bun. The British brought their tradition of eating hot cross bun at Easter time to Jamaica during the 1600s when they colonized the island. However, as Jamaicans, whatever we come across or whatever we touch, we love to put a spin or a twist on it. So, therefore, we have added some key ingredients to the bun, which has evolved it into a better tasting bun. One of the key ingredients of the Jamaican spiced bun is the stout. So you can decide to use either the Guinness stout or the Dragon stout. In this video, my friend KEMOLOY Murphy combines and mixes the ingredients for her famous homemade Jamaican spice bun as she prepares to bake her Jamaican spiced bun for Easter. There are many Jamaican bakeries that specialize in making the Jamaican spice bun at Easter time. However, Jamaicans love to do their baking at home as well. So there are a lot of recipes for the Jamaican homemade spice bun as well. For Jamaicans both at yard or abroad, Easter is never the same without bun and cheese. Bun and cheese is a must-have at Easter for Jamaicans, both at home and in the diaspora. Through the here, the round bun is eaten with cheese. However, for Easter, it's only the spiced loaf bun with cheddar cheese. Not any cheese, but cheddar cheese. Based on our love for the Easter bun, one of our favorite icons, Miss Louise Bennett, has also done a poem called Bun and Cheese.